Good hotel. Very good hotel. Good location, clean room, fast Wi-Fi. Hostel was near the police station, so very safe, and there were convenience stores nearby. Also, airport limo bus stop is near as well. Walking distance to Myeongdong, and room has its own Wi-Fi. We didn't get to have breakfast every day, but it's available when we can. Exceptional. I like this hostel. Staff is very friendly. Distance to Myeongdong Market about 400 meters. Value of money for travelers. Breakfast is good. Value for money and comfortable stay near on subway, which make our tour easier. Great place to stay, friendly staff able to speak English, very helpful with whatever you need. Would stay there again. Nice stay, friendly staff, good location. Stay for 8 nights. Walking distance to Myeongdong shopping area. Friendly staff and very nice of the owner, very helpful. Walking distance to airport shuttle bus. Comfortable hostel with sweet hosts in perfect lock. It was all over a satisfactory experience in IPS Lounge Hostel. First of all, hosts were helpful, sweet and comforting people. Rooms were clean and cozy, and they clean them every day. Location is just perfect, just 3 to 5 minutes from subway, 10 minutes to lively shopping spots, and 5 minutes to Sejong Hotel where you can take a bus to airport. Breakfast was satisfactory. I sincerely highly recommend it. You won't regret it. Very convenient place to stay. What is setting this hotel apart from the others is their exceptionally nice staff. Even the owner is very hands-on in helping me out to have a comfy stay, providing the best directions to my target destinations, and even lent a hand to pack my unimaginable loads of baggages to bring to my home country. One of their receptionists also assisted me to call the Korean ginseng center where I mistakenly purchased items from. As I cannot speak/understand Korean language well, he did translate my concerns to the KGC staff, and as a very positive outcome I got to refund my money. Few minutes walk to Myeongdong and Namsan Tower. I stayed at a single room with toilet and hot shower, which is basically what I need. The room has single bed, TV, ref, and AC. The staff are very friendly. On our first 2 nights, there's an odd noise of water around 1 or 2 a.m. Maybe the other guests are taking the shower? Overall, I enjoyed my stay at IPS. Great location, clean and friendly stuff. Nice location, located near to shopping places and public transport, which is really convenient. Very good location/excellent staff and service right in the middle of business and shopping area. IPS offers clean room with ensuite bathroom. From the hostel you can walk to Myeongdong.